Hey guys, we're gonna play Geometry Dash today, and I haven't played this game that much, and so you can play Stereo Madness, Back on Track, and play these ones a bit. My brother, he's really good at this game. He's played it a lot. Right now, he's playing a hard level. I think it's just hard.
Beat it.
He just beat it. Okay, well, it's not hard for him. And this is a hard level. I've been trying to beat it.
Crazy ball.
Crazy ball. See, I'm really not that good. But I'm used in this game and the editing. It's actually like really hard to make levels. Like I can't even make like normal blocks. Crazy ball. We should play Crazy Ball and see how hard it is.
Yeah, play it.
Okay, I'll search it up. After that game, you like tap to jump. You probably know it. It's pretty popular. You tap to jump and like those little.
Listen to the music.
Turn your tap so they can do it. I'll turn my tap. It's pretty good, right? Ding 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 ding. Yeah. Okay, and like with those little like circle things, sometimes you have to tap right when you're on it. It makes you go up or like fast down. If I want to like change like gravity or something. Right now I'm gonna go search, and what's it called?
Crazy ball.
Crazy ball. Crazy balls. Is it this one?
Yeah. No, it's not at the speed of light. I have no idea. You're probably not gonna find it.
What's at the speed of light? Oh.
It's the song that all the demons go to. Like that.
What? These are what is it? This one? Is it any of these?
Yeah, maybe.
Crazy Ball 2?
No, definitely not 2. It could be a remake of it.
I'm gonna play Crazy Balls.
Oh my god.
Can you see? I want to see what it looks like.
No. I'm in my own level.
In your own level? Oh, that's one that I was just playing, guys. Do you hear it? Buggy. Okay, yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna play Crazy Balls. Loop.
That's definitely not it.
Is this an auto? Because this is really scary. Oh, this is cool though.
Yeah, it's an auto.
Oh, I got a skin. I like mine better though. Well, that was easy. Now I'm gonna play Crazy Ball by Wolverine. Oh, the song is Energy Drink.
Yeah,
This is allowed for use.
oh, it's definitely not like that. I want to copy earlier.
Play.
Hey, June, should I beat it? That's
Oh,
an
oh, this is not. Dude, autos are so scary. I actually want to like play it.
Easiest level ever.
This is cool.
Oh, really not
Boing,
that hard.
boing. Oh, that was cool.
I remember I used to think it was really hard.
Remember you used to think Finger Dash is really hard?
Yeah.
It is. Brilliant. I'm brilliant, guys. Crazy Ball. I'm gonna play Crazy Ball old. Oh, is it like a demon? Is Crazy Ball like a demon?
No.
It's not a demon.
Go.
Cuckoo.
First try.
Cuckoo. Oliver.
Yeah. First try.
What's this? How can you...
Oh, that's the new thing they're gonna add to the game. You can change gravity in midair, but it's like a ball of gravity. Yeah, that.
Ooh, this is
They're
hard.
gonna add it to the game.
It already is added. Look at, see?
No, because you can just make it, but they're actually gonna make a skin for it. And no, I can make that right now. It's not a game mode. You actually have to like make it.
Oh, this is hard. The gravity ball. Oh, I could have got that coin. Got it. I got a coin. GG. I like that face. I like the music too.
Yeah, that's at the speed of light. That's what all the demons go to. Deadlock's better though.
Crazy Ball 2. Party RNG.
Oh yes, that's it. It's Party RNG.
This is Crazy Ball 2.
Okay, but this is the song. That's the right
You
song.
can't
It's
even-
Party RNG.
Why don't we play it?
Dang it!
It's IGN.
Yeah, this is it.
IGN. Welcome to Crazy Ball. Do you beat it? It's hard to see. What? Har. That's what Big Nate always says. Hardy har har.
You're very good.
I wasn't even trying. I'm in practice mode, even though I like the song. Oh. This hard part?
No,
This is where it gets
you're
harder.
scared. Oh. I don't know what you just did there, but it's not how you're supposed to play it, but I mean...
No. I'm gonna turn it down.
You jump.
You can have rocket ships.
Oh.
And you go high.
You're in a death.
I'm gonna go back.
Death repeat.
Okay. Boom. Boom.
No, death repeat.
Death repeat. Go, go, go.
No, the robot, you have to like, it's weird. You can't hold it or you can't press it. You have to press it like the second.
What? What do you do there?
Keep pressing it.
Ah. Spam? I need to go in there. I did. I don't like this guy.
Yeah, Crazy Ball's all about that, guys.
Because he's a crazy ball.
Yeah.
Oh. I spawned a thing. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I spawned a bunch of diamonds. No! This is poopy.
It's not poopy. It's just hard. I mean, I can beat it, though.
No!
Bro, he can... Wait, did Saul say he can come over?
Saucy's gonna check.
I have to check.
I need to do... let's just...
No, just do recent tab. Just... Recent tab's a good thing if you're making YouTube videos.
Recent.
These are like levels that are getting uploaded like by the second.
Okay.
Like wait, let me just upload that level like 0 plays, 0 likes. Like, so
Okay.
no one's ever played this level before. Except the guy who made it. You're the first one. And so, but the thing is, it's not featured levels because all the levels you find are like good made levels. These levels are just put by anyone. So so some of them are extremely bad. Just like play your first reason level. It's a spam level. This level's actually kind of good, well made. Wait, let me try.
I got 12. Dude, you guys don't even know how fast you have to tap. Am I better than you?
Oh wait, I know you have to do it. I know you have to do it because there's a certain way you have to get into it. There's a certain way you have to get into it. Oh,
Like
it's
a
so
rocket ship,
annoying.
you can just stay up. It's one of these things.
There's a
you
certain
tap to
way.
go up.
There's a certain way you have to like barely just get by the spike to get in it, or else it won't work. I
You just got 12%.
He's probably way to cheat it.
No, let me go.
There's a recent time.
Different level.
The level's extremely long too. He just
Let's
used
get
an auto
ultra
clip.
chest.
No. He just probably used an
Get
auto
one
clip.
moon and touch challenge.
No, they're not loading because the internet's off something.
Let's get one moon and touch challenge.
They're not loading.
Get Talon Fox.
None of them are gonna load.
Fine, then we're not gonna search up CR. We're just gonna go like this. Okay.
You just have to recent. What are you doing?
I'm going to end the video.